Introduction: Why code optimization matters.
Faster code means smoother software, happier users, and less computing power wasted. Optimizing your code doesn't always require advanced knowledge. Basic, practical techniques can lead to significant speed improvements. Here are 5 simple methods anyone can use to make programs run faster, regardless of the programming language.
1. Minimize unnecessary calculations.
Avoid repeating work your program has already done. Store results of calculations that are used multiple times in variables, instead of recalculating them. This reduces the processor's workload, especially inside loops or frequently called functions, and leads to noticeable boosts in speed.
2. Use efficient data structures.
Choose the right data structure for the job. Lists, sets, dictionaries, and arrays each have strengths. For fast lookups, use dictionaries or hash maps instead of scanning through lists. Knowing which structure fits best can drastically speed up tasks like searching and sorting.
3. Limit loop work and nested loops.
Loops can slow down your program fast, especially nested loops. Review all loops to see if parts can be moved outside, combined, or eliminated. Whenever possible, use built-in language features or libraries that handle loop work internally, as they're often optimized for speed.
4. Avoid repeated resource access.
Reading from disk or network is much slower than accessing memory. Try to minimize file or network operations inside frequently executed code. Load data once, store it in variables, and reuse it as needed. Caching results can also help reduce repeated slow operations.
5. Profile and measure your code.
Guessing what's slow can lead to wasted effort. Use profiling tools to measure where your program spends the most time. Focus your optimization on those areas first. Measuring before and after changes ensures your improvements actually speed up your code.
Conclusion: Start simple for big gains.
Code optimization doesn't have to be complex. By making small, thoughtful changes like minimizing calculations, using efficient data structures, reducing loops, and profiling your work, you can get faster, more responsive software without major rewrites. Start with these tips and enjoy the speed boost.